Hey, welcome back to Whitetail Garage. This week, we're going to go look at a new project car. So stay tuned, see what we found.
Get this on video and make it look like you did something.
Look like I did something?
No.
You got the camera going.
All right, well, we're loaded up. Gonna head back home. What do you think? You like your car or what?
He's awesome.
Yeah. We're gonna go get some barbecue. And then we gotta check the trailer. Make sure nothing shifted, and it's actually doing a little wobbly. So we're gonna move some stuff from the back of the trailer to the front of the trailer. We'll do that after we eat.
Six hours later.
got everything unloaded and accounted for. The Pro Touring kit for the rear and the independent front suspension kit. I've got all that it came with this purchase. I've got it all accounted for with the exception of I am missing looks like two bar links for the rear suspension that run from the top of the pumpkin down to the torque arm. So I'll have to connect with that company and see what they've got. But otherwise, there's the car. It is a 1966 convertible. Eventually we want the car to go red. And then redo some of the interior. But otherwise, yeah, that's the update. It's her birthday present.
Thank you.
So we'll be adding her to the stable and adding her to the channel and doing all the work on this. Eventually a coyote. For now, the whole plan for this car is to need to get something to drink. Better. For now, the plan is to just get it running on a 6-cylinder, get the front end back underneath it, because all of the total cost involved kit, that is a lot of work involved to do all that. So just really want to get it together so she can go drive it. We can go have fun with it, ride around with it. And then I can source a coyote. That kit is set up for a coyote engine. So when I can source a coyote and a transmission and a wiring harness and all that, you know, down the road, thinks that it's going to go in this car before the Black Widow, but you know, it'll be a nice turnkey driver for her once we get that to that point. Oh, there's a little bit of rust in this corner. Really the only rust except for the front valance or valance, whatever you call it, that has some rust on it, so that needs to be replaced. Replace this whole inner piece here and then the battery tray to clean up that corner. But otherwise, I mean, there's really no other real rust anywhere, just some scaling or whatever. Real clean car. But, so we'll get it back on the road first and then start doing some of the obvious things and then eventually go to a coyote swap and put all of this TCI suspension components on it. So it'll be a driver when we're done. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.